Far up in the north of the Seychelles, a very special island awaits you. Surrounded by the deep blue Indian Ocean and only about 30 minutes by plane from Mahé, and yet it is something truly special. We are talking about Bird Island. Even the approach with the small propeller plane offers a stunning view of the island, and as soon as the wheels touch down on the grass runway, everyday life is left behind. At the main lodge, every guest is warmly welcomed and the island is briefly explained using a map. Bird Island follows a philosophy of gentle and sustainable tourism. The bungalows are designed in the style of barefoot luxury, open, airy, and without unnecessary distractions. There are deliberately no televisions, telephones, or air conditioning. Instead, large wooden shutters and a fan provide a natural breeze and allow uninterrupted views into the greenery. Since Bird Island operates on a partial self-catering basis, with breakfast and dinner already included in your stay, a small on-island supermarket is available for you to customise your lunch. You'll find everything you need here for a perfect holiday. During the breeding season, the island transforms into a true bird paradise. Hundreds of thousands of sooty terns come here to nest, but even outside the main season, you encounter birds everywhere you go. Particularly impressive are the slender-billed noddies, also known as lesser noddies, which often nest completely unbothered in trees right next to the guests. Anyone who looks up quickly will notice just how many birds are in the air, and will also spot some of the majestic frigate birds circling high above the island with their enormous wingspan. By the way, frigate birds are known for stealing food from other birds. The white and beautifully feathered fairy terns observe the surroundings curiously from the treetops. Red-footed boobies sit in large colonies in the casuarina trees. Here on the island, you have a unique opportunity to observe birds that have no fear of humans. Bird Island can truly still be described as a real paradise. Life here is lived in harmony with nature, leaving it just the way it is and enjoying its beauty. One way to experience the island is on a walk around the small islet. The full loop takes about 1 hour. When the late afternoon arrives, the island appears in an entirely different light. Simply beautiful. Another permanent member of the island family are the Seychelles giant tortoises. The most famous among them is Esmeralda. At over 200 years old, she is the oldest free-roaming giant tortoise in the world. By the way, despite the female name, Esmeralda is actually a male. These gentle giants roam freely across the island and clearly enjoy the attention and fresh fruit. If you wish, you can also go fly fishing directly from the beach. In this particularly demanding form of fishing, the hook is cast into the water using a special technique, and the fish is usually released back into the sea afterwards. Catch and release. At sunset, the spectacle of birds in the sky becomes even more impressive. Pure paradise feeling. After the sun has set, the small island community gathers for dinner. Creole cuisine reflects the Seychelles perfectly. Spicy, fresh, and authentic. Bird Island, dinner is prepared every evening for all guests, and we can promise you, we have rarely eaten this well. After a restful night under a spectacular starry sky, and accompanied by the magical sounds of the birds, a new day begins with a sunrise on the horizon. With a view like this, the day can only start well. As mentioned, the island follows a partial self-catering concept. At the time of filming, only dinner was served, which is why you can see us preparing our own breakfast in the video. Today, the service is even more comprehensive. Breakfast is now also freshly prepared for all guests and is included in the price. A special moment captured in this video features Daryl. He has lived and worked on Bird Island for many years and knows it inside out. He is a true island legend and surprised us back then with fresh fruits like papaya, passion fruit, and avocado directly from the island. Well fortified, it's time for the next adventure. Kayaks are available on the beach and can be used by all guests. You glide silently across the water, and with a bit of luck, you may even spot sea turtles. Next up is a snorkeling tour. Fins and masks can easily be borrowed. While snorkeling, an entirely new world opens up. Colourful fish, small rays, and sea turtles gliding majestically through the crystal clear water. Lunch is prepared by the guests themselves in their cosy, open kitchens, while enjoying the relaxed atmosphere. And during our stay, we were lucky enough to witness something very special, which of course we don't want to keep from you. Small, newly hatched sea turtles emerged from their nest and made their way toward the ocean, full of life and determination. Could a day be any better? A journey to Bird Island is truly a world of its own. The island is a place for explorers, for those seeking peace and quiet, for lovers of untouched nature, and for everyone searching for the real paradise.